Welcome back, everybody, to the high-vis shirt. Today we've got Season 1, Episode 3, Underground Plumbing Rough-In. So here on the screen you'll see the excavation for the piping with the 2 orange string lines that essentially are the 2x6 wet wall. In the video right now I'm just assembling all the piping together with the main 4-inch running along the bottom. Here, once I've got everything set, I'm just checking it out, looking at the measurements, match marking everything. Pull it out, disassemble it, and start gluing it together. Y's and reducing fittings, gluing up each of the risers, letting them dry, and then once it's all dry, starting to just put it all back together. Final shot here's with everything set in the hole. You can see that orange string line again, just giving me the layout off the wall, making sure the bath, the toilet, and the sink and everything's all in the right spot. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video today. Everything turned out well here. Actually, you can see I ended up putting in a couple too many vertical Ys for the vents, but can't have too many vents, I guess, so all good. Thanks again for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tune in next week for the foundation rebar episode. Thanks.